Hi guys, what's up? This is Shomit Seth and welcome back to another video on my channel. And guess what? Microsoft just released the Windows 11 preview. And the best part is it will be available to all as a free upgrade. But how do you know that your device is compatible with Windows 11? Don't worry, since I will tell you how you can do that in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, once you are on your Windows PC, you will just have to go to Google Chrome and you will have to visit this link. I would be providing this link in the description for your convenience. So once you are on this link, you will just have to scroll down until you find when will I be able to upgrade to Windows 11 on my Windows 10 device. And from here you will have to download this PC Health Check app. And once you have downloaded this, you will have to open it. So I have already downloaded it, and you will just have to go to the start and open this app. Now once you have opened this app, you will find some settings and a pretty good looking overview of this app is on the screen. From here just press check now, introducing Windows 11. Let's check if this PC meets the system requirements. Yes, we will have to do this. So just press on check now. Now as you can see, great news, this PC meets all the system requirements for Windows 11 and it's free. Well, we will let you know when it's ready to install. So guys, if you want to read about Windows 11, you can just click here on learn more and it will take you to the Windows 11's URL. From where there you can read about the Windows 11. So we will not be doing that in this video. So this is how you can check whether Windows 11 is compatible for your laptop or PC. And guys, the best part is this update will be freely rolled to everybody later in 2022. So that's very good. Okay guys, that's it for this video. This was my take on how you can check the compatibility of a device with Windows 11. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more such videos. And I would be back soon with the Windows 11 update review. Thank you for watching. This is Shomit Seth signing off.